Sorry. Break. Wait, pause. Yan. Hey! Hi, guys.
Hi!
Okay kayo?
Yes!
We're doing alright. Again, my new album, Infinite. Yeah, mamaya, we're gonna have an autograph signing and photo op. So, please do grab a copy para mamaya we just have to, yun lang naman yung kailangan nyo para nakapasok. So, we can have a photo op. Ate, hey. Hi, you. Wala, wait ka sa akin. Ayaw mo yun. Pwede mo yun. Pasok kayo. Sige na. Give me yung 280 joke. Anyway, again, thank you everybody sa mga sponsors to Blackwater Junior and in like this Cellular, I wanna dedicate this song to them. No, I'm gonna sing their jingle that you probably hear sa mga commercials sa radyo. Ayan. Thank you, Shot Cellular.
Love you, sir!
Love you, son. Love you, son, though.
Love you!
Ikaw ang sa mga love you, son.
Oh, my eyes are really open.
I laid away for you. Oh, in your voice something deep. Every time it makes me fall. Pretty girls are really one. But you're the one I always come to. You're the one I always run to. There's nowhere else I feel this pride. I belong by your side. Whatever comes, I'm never too far away. Baby, you always make my day. By the end of the show, lahat kayo nakasal sa iyo.
Yeah!
Holding you
For hours on the phone, sending a message every minute.
I just want you to always know. But you're the one I don't stop. There's nowhere else I can this right. Whatever I would ever do.
I belong by your side. Whatever comes, I'm too far away. Baby, you always make my day.
Bright as the sun, you always make my day.
Bright as the sun.
You always make my day. Bright as the sun. Thank you, Sun Cellular. Yes, politics 11:45. Ayan.
Ibigay na natin sa
Sige.
Ako sa interview
Hey,
kayo.
guys, thank you, ha.
Okay.
For being such good sports.
Welcome again, Gene.
Gene Rose Morales.
Come up here on stage with Sam.
You win.
Wow!
Sige lang. House and land. Carlton Sun Cellular. Thank you. Return your love. Yes. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Sun Cellular again. Blackwater Junior, everybody. Yeah.